So we replace the sides with numbers, and now we're trying to see how the relationship works with numbers. Okay, now sine A, remember the SOHCAHTOA, so sine A is opposite over hypotenuse. So for A, the opposite is 3, and over the hypotenuse is, which always remains the same, is 5. Okay, then let's see, if sine A is that, what is sine B? Sine B, okay, let's put it this way. Sine B, which is still opposite over hypotenuse, but now the opposite changes. For sine B, the opposite becomes 4 over the hypotenuse, which is 5. Now the hypotenuse remains the same, but you can see that the opposite changed. The formula remains the same, but the figures, it changes because the opposite changes. Okay, now let's look at cos A. Now for cos A is equal to cos A adjacent over hypotenuse. So cos A is adjacent, and the adjacent is 4. So you have 4. Cos A, its adjacent is 4. This is the opposite, and this is the adjacent. Okay, over hypotenuse, which is 5. Now cos B. For cos B, that's cosine B. For cos B, it becomes the adjacent. For B, the adjacent is no longer 4. The adjacent is now 3 for cos B. So we have 3 over the hypotenuse, which doesn't change, remains the same, 5. Now the next is tan A. Now for tan A, tan is opposite over adjacent. So let's start with tan A. Tan A, the opposite is 3 over the adjacent. The adjacent is 4. Okay? Now for tan B. For tan B is opposite over adjacent. The opposite is 4. Opposite is 4 over the adjacent. The adjacent is 3. So if you take a look at this relationship, it gives you a summary of how these things changes. You understand? If you look at sine A, the figures are different from sine B because, you know, the sides that it relates all changes. Okay, now having known that, the next is if sine A is 3 over 5, what is A? That brings us to the inverse of sine, cosine, and tangent. Okay, I'm going to take out this so that I think we're done with this. Let's take this out. Okay, now sine A is 3 over 5. So let's put that here. Sine A equals 3 over 5. The question is, how do we get our A? Simple. If sine A is equal to 3 over 5, A will give you the inverse, the sine inverse of 3 over 5. Now you can use your calculator to get the value of that answer. So the sine inverse of 3 over 5. You understand? And that will give you your answer. The same goes to sine B. So if sine B, or let's say cos A, if cos A equals to 4 over 5, the question is, what is A? It implies that A will give you the cos inverse of 4 over 5. 4 over 5. So once you put this into your calculator, you will get the right answer, and you'll discover that the A you get for here will be the same as the A you get for here, because they all are talking about the same triangle. So that's what you practically do for the others. If it is tan A, if you want to look for the value of A, you say A will give you tan inverse of 3 over 4. It's as simple as that. For sine B, cos B, and sine B, you repeat just the same thing and you will get your values. Thank you. And if you have to ask me any question whatsoever, you could visit www.mcdmath.com to connect with me, and we could begin to answer different questions. Thank you for watching, and God bless.